In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for just yourself, maximizing its tools for your personal use. If you're trying to bring a bit more organization to your personal life or personal projects, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to make Monday.com work just for you. First up, let's dive into Monday.com by heading over to their website. Once you're there, you'll find the option to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. This process is straightforward, and don't worry if you're going solo, you're not required to add a team, so simply skip that part and focus solely on your personal setup. Now, let's talk about setting up your space. On Monday.com, a workspace acts as the home for all your boards. I suggest naming your workspace something that resonates with your personal goals, like Personal Hub, My Projects, or Life Planner. This simple step ensures that all your personal boards are neatly organized in one convenient place. Once you've set up your workspace, it's time to start with a board. Click on the plus new board button to get started. You have the choice here between a blank board or one of the many provided templates such as to-do lists, task tracking, habit trackers, or personal goals. Give your board a clear and descriptive name like daily tasks or personal projects to easily identify its purpose at a glance. With your board established, customizing it to fit your personal needs is crucial. Consider adding columns that will help in tracking what matters most to you. A status column is fantastic for tracking progress with categories like to do, in progress, or done. A date column helps you remember upcoming due dates and deadlines, while a text column lets you jot down notes and additional details. For expenses or hours, a numbers column will be invaluable. Lastly, create a tags column to categorize tasks based on areas like work, health, or home. Next, it's time to populate your board with items such as tasks, goals, or reminders. For example, in a daily planner board, you might include elements like your morning routine, work tasks, errands, fitness goals, and personal projects. By breaking down these components, you create a comprehensive view of your day and priorities. As you continue to build out your board, take advantage of different views for enhanced clarity. The table view gives you a classic task list, while the calendar view allows you to visualize tasks over time. Kanban view organizes tasks like digital sticky notes, and finally, a dashboard can help track habits, expenses, or progress with various visual charts. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Monday.com for personal productivity and organization. Whether it's managing daily tasks or working towards long-term goals, these features will keep you on track and organized. Happy planning, and I hope this helps you make the most of Monday.com for your personal